Good morning, everybody. Woohoo! Guess what came in? Yes, finally, what we've been waiting for, what you have been asking. It is our new coffee dual maker. We love it. So I'm here to unbox it for you. Always want to use your handy dandy trusty shears, not your knives, to open them up. And the great thing that they open like this. So let's see. Let's get this open so we can see what it looks like. I am so excited. So it's pretty big. So the first thing that you get in your box, always with Princess House, is an instruction manual. You want to make sure that you read it. So you open it up. It's on English on one side and Spanish on the other. Yes! Oh, I can't wait. So this is our Vida-Sana dual brew coffee maker. Are you excited as me? All right, let's look. Let's just open it up and see. Styrofoam. All right. I don't want it to break, so let's lie it down and get it out and see what it looks like. Ooh, la, la. Okay. Move the scissors over here. So this is what we got going here. So they have it packaged, so hopefully nothing will break. It's all secure. And here they even have it all wrapped up so your carafe does not break. Here is our 14 cup. Yes, 14 cups carafe. You're going to be making a lot of coffee. And it shows you it goes all the way, starts at 4 and goes all the way up to 14. This is glass. And then in here, look at this. It's a filter. You do not need to buy those disposable ones and fill up the landfill. You can just use this filter for all your coffee. Yes! Here we go. Are you ready? Let's see. Ta-da! Here is our brand new dual brew coffee maker. Here it is. Okay, so let's see. We have some stickers, tape on here to secure it all in. Let's take those off. So this is, I love it because it's sleek. It's not going to take up a lot of room on your counter in the kitchen. It has a cord here, but it also has the house in the back, so it can store the whole cord in there if you want it. Inside here. So we said it can make up to 14 cups, but it has this special little piece here that you can put those 1 cup single serving from your Starbucks, your Keurig, any of those 1 cup servings, right, pop in there. All sizes fit. What happens is that you pull this lever down, and that's where it can register that it's doing a single cup of coffee. Okay, and then you can have it up and goes in like this. So let's read together and learn about it. Can't wait. So, so of course it has an on-off switch, which is, let's see. So it has a timer, so you can set it and forget it for the morning. Love that. Set hour and minute for clock display and auto programming. Your single cup size. Select cup size. Choose from 8, 10, and 12 ounces, but the default is 8 ounces. You can set auto program time for craft brewing and size for single cup brewing. Starts brewing from both functions and will stop brewing if pressed during the cycle. So there's a 30 seconds. So say we're brewing this 14 cup because you want it for the family and everything, but you have to run out the door and go pick up your child or head off to work. Well, the great thing about it is that you push the button, you can pull this out, get your handy dandy new 18 ounce insulated tumbler, and it's big enough Oh, you want it like this. To fit under there, and you can fill your tumbler now. Perfect, right? Love it. So it's a 30-second delay, so you can do that. Of course, you want to clean it all before you first use it. It tells you to do that. So there is, on the bottom, it says there's a heater plate that will keep the brewed coffee warm for 2 hours. Then it will beep 3 times before shutting off. Or you can just use the on-off button if you don't want to keep it hot. And of course, you guys know me, I'm a tea drinker, so I can be brewing hot water as well and just get it from here if I'm not using my electric kettle. All right, so let me see. So the cool thing about it is that you can take your mug, we have our beautiful Marbella mugs, and you push the button, it's going to tell you it needs to put this lever down, okay, and then it knows by the weight that that's a single cup, and then you can push if you want it 8 ounces, 10 ounces, or 12 ounces, and you're good to go. So this is our brand new spanking Vida-Sana dual brew coffee maker. We're so excited about it. On the back here, you want to take your filtered water, which is best for any of your coffee makers, and fill it up here. We do have a new water filtration system that you could get as well. And it shows you that you can fill it up all the way to 14 ounces. This goes in and out nice and easy. It slides right in and slides down. And you can pull it up here. So you can pour it in by the sink, or you can pour it in by a pitcher of water. But there we go. I can't wait to actually get it up and running for some of my friends. This piece turns off, I would assume. Oh, it pulls out. So that's your single cup. And then you can put the actual filter with your coffee in there, and then you just put it all back in, and you're good to go. Awesome sauce. So again, this is our new Vida-Sana dual brew coffee maker, and it can be yours for the regular price of $389.95, or contact me, because right now we have a special going on that you can get this for hosting a party of $750 in sales and 1 booking for under $90. And if you're not ready to host a party, I also have, if you're in my community and you're watching me, a special going on with the coffee makers that you can get them a really good deal. So contact me, Patty Lynch, at myprincesshouse.com to find out more. All right? So thank you so much, and I hope you have a great day.